People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere or on the internet. My blog is located at purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, could be located at people.etsy.com. And my t-shirt designs, purplebutterfly-people.tmail.com. It's time to cut the ice gingerbread man. There's a couple of spots on there where apparently I didn't slam it down enough, so there's little holes on the surface. But that's all good. Yep. Now, in the meantime, let me get out my gloves. And we're going to cut this open and see what's hiding inside. Yeah. Let's just say I'm real curious about the outcome. Yep. Get him out of there. That's it. Yesterday it was going to be hard to get out of there. As you could tell, some of it's stuck on the sides there. So, seeing how half of it really became soap on a stick and seized up, I don't think it's going to be too hard. Or too soft, actually. It's looking good so far. So let's line it up. Cut it open. Oh. Sea soap is hard to cut through, I tell you what. But anyway, let's see what's going on in there. That's not bad. Apparently, it did do a little of the slant. I did try to take the hanger tool through, but it was too solid for that. So basically, it made like a little divot right there, but that was about the only thing I could do with the hanger tool. And it smells like iced gingerbread men. And to the brain, the whole thing smells like iced gingerbread man instead of just that one spot. Now, you see right there where it looks cranberry red? That's the Patagonian purple. That's what it does when you put it in a non-pH stable environment like lye. I was kind of counting on it doing that. So, yeah. It actually came out better than the vision in my head. So I'm pretty happy with this. The yellow seems to have disappeared. But if you look really, really close, you can see it in various spots, just, being chilled back, laid out, It's like, I'm not trying to be up front and personal in your face. I'll just chill out and be on the cool side. Yeah. That's very nice. Oh, and this brown over here, that's the Black Star Red. I still don't see how that is considered to be a red soap, or a red color rather. To me, it's just a really, really dark.
Tommy,
Yes.
are you in the bathroom?
No, I'm making a video over here.
Oh, sorry.
And that's the Ice Gingerbread Man. This has been People of Seven on Twitter and YouTube. People at elsewhere. Come in here, sis. On the internet. Why you hiding now?
I don't know what you're doing.
That's my sister-in-law. Isn't she beautiful?
Hi. Oh, this is pretty.
It's called Ice Gingerbread Man.
Oh, that smells good. Oh,
Believe it or not, there's only one spot that's actually got the scent in it.
In the middle.
No, on the side.
Where?
The entire
Oh,
side.
it does. Oh, yeah.
I knew it was going to turn the soap brown. It also seized in place, but in the meantime, I colored everything else. So that way.
Now, what is that one called?
Ice Gingerbread Man. That's the name of the scent.
That smells good.
Yeah. It'll be ready. What's today's date?
The 30th.
So it'll be ready January the 30th.
Oh, it'll take a whole month?
Yeah, they have to cure.
Oh, okay, that's right.
I'm going to teach you how to make soap. So yes, I am.
She's going to teach me how to make soap.
Yeah, and you're not going to be scared.
I'm not going to be scared. I'm always willing to learn something new.
Cool.
Bye.
I'll give you soap safety and all that. We'll go over the whole, what to do, what not to do. So that way when you make your own soap, you'll have the confidence to continue on.
Do it myself. There we go. That's what I'm talking about.
That's my sister-in-law. Isn't she adorable? But anyway, this has been People of Seven on Twitter and YouTube. People are elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at PurpleButterfly-people.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, can be located at people.etsy.com. And my t-shirt designs, PurpleButterfly-people.tmail.com. Y'all stay blessed. Stay tuned. Bye now.